Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 29th August 2024. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have come here to study. You do not need to close your eyes. One generally studies with one's eyes open. Question. What habit do devotees have on the path of devotion which you children should not have? Answer. On the path of devotion, they go in front of an image of any of the deities and continue to ask for something or other. They have instilled in themselves the habit of asking for something. They go in front of Lakshmi and ask her for wealth, but they don't receive anything. You children do not have this habit now. You children have a right to the Father's inheritance. You just have to continue to look at the Father without an image. It is by doing this that you earn a true income. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Make effort to keep permanently the decoration of knowledge that the Father puts on you. Do not spoil your decoration of knowledge in the dust of Maya. Study very well and earn an imperishable income. Number 2. While seeing this image, that is, this bodily being, in front of you, let your intellect remember the Father without an image. Do not develop the habit of sitting with your eyes closed. Do not ask the unlimited Father for anything. Blessing for today. May you be an intense effort maker who knows the importance of this time and thereby comes first by going fast. Details are: the souls who come in the Avyakt part receive the blessing of last go fast and fast come first. So, know the importance of this time and put into practice the blessings you have received. This Avyakt sustenance easily makes you powerful and you can therefore move ahead as much as you want. Because Bab Dada and the instrument souls constantly give blessings to you all to fly ahead, you have easily received the fortune of moving fast. Slogan is, with the awareness of the great mantra of incorporeal and corporeal being equal, become a constant yogi. Om Shanti.